When you want to create something for a business, it's important to find the right voice-over artist. However, finding the right artist can be difficult. Use our guide to find the best ways to hire a voice-over artist, and we'll show you how to complete the job without any hassle. Find the right voice-over artist. The first step in finding the right over-the-phone singer is to find a good over-the-phone singer. After that, it's important to find a good voice-over artist who can do the job well. They should be someone who can sing well and sound sincere. If you want to use the voice-over artist for a long-term agreement, they should have a strong understanding of the business culture and be comfortable singing on stage. If you're looking to hire an over-the-phone singer for a short-term agreement, he or she should have some experience singing on stage and be comfortable with using technology to sing. The second step in finding the right over-the-phone singer is to find an expert in the field of voice quality. This person can help you choose the right sound for the project. After all of these steps, you'll finally have a perfect over-the-line singer who can sing well and sounded sincere for your project. Make sure the voice-over artist is experienced and qualified. It's important to make sure the voice-over artist you hire is experienced and qualified. This means they know how to write and deliver good voice-over content. As a result, they know how to keep your audience engaged through the entire process of creating a voiceover. In addition, they should be able to handle grammar and punctuation well. Use the right tools to create good voice-over art. Voice-over art is important because it's one step in creating a product. It's important to use the right tools to create good voice-over art. If you can use the right tools to create the right tone for your product, use the right tools to avoid common mistakes. You don't need an expensive sound booth, and you don't need a trained professional voice-over artist. You just need a computer and an internet connection so you can work with your computer all day long. The best way to find the right voice-over artist is to use our guide. Choose the right software for your project. If you want to create a voice-over artist, you need the best software possible. There are a few different tools that can help you. The most important thing is to choose the right tool for the task at hand. If you're looking for a general voice-over artist, then you need the Microsoft Word or Google Docs. If you want to create a more professional performance voiceover, then you need the Skype free app. Use the right keywords to create great voiceovers. It's important to be specific when creating voiceovers. However, if you're looking for a voiceover that will be legible, you need to use the right keywords. For example, use ad campaigns to find voice-over artists who are best suited for an advertising campaign. Ad campaigns are a great way to target your ideal audience and create great voice-overs that are readable. Use search engines like Google to find voice-over artists that offer services like this. The more ads you run on the internet, the more likely you are to find good voice-over artists who suit your ad campaign. Take into account the target audience. There are three main groups of voice-over artists: those who are certified by the National Academy of Voice-over Artists, those who are registered with an industry organization, and those who are self-taught. The certified voice-over artists generally have years of experience and are able to evoke strong emotion through their work. The registered voice-over artists have a stronger education and are able to capture the essence of the product or service they're working on. The self-taught voice-over artists often get their skills from other professionals in the industry and are often more innovative in their work. Create a high-quality voice-over art. Looking for a voice-over artist? Look no further than Google. The website has a variety of voices and options to choose from. If you want someone who can create a unique voice for your product, look no further than Google. If you need someone who can help you capture the right tone for your product, Google has you covered. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.